welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop Quick Tip. Today we've got a viewer write-in question, and I thought, hey, that would be a good tutorial to do today. The question was, can you make text wrap around an irregular shape or a person or something like that in a graphic? And the person was explaining, that he puts his text on the screen like this, and it doesn't wrap, like you would see like in the magazine spreads and things like that, where it would follow the contour and wrap around accordingly. And I said, sure, we can do that. So the first thing I need to say is, for page layout like that, where you're doing constant layouts and things like that, if you're doing a lot of that, this is the wrong tool to do that. You would want to use a tool such as InDesign. But if you just have one, picture to do, and you wanted to go ahead and have text wrap around, it is possible to do in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we can do here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this existing text off. And so my idea is I want to wrap text around the right side of this subject. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to need our rulers. I'm going to set up some guides. So Command R to open the rulers. And I'm going to do some layout lines here where I'm going to determine where to position the text, how close I want it to go, and the top, we'll put it there as a restriction. Okay, so now we have three guide sides here, and of course we're going to have the contour side. In order to make this contour path, we're going to need to use the pen tool. Okay, so come over and select the pen tool. And what you want to do is you want to start on the guidelines, okay, and just click. And now I want you to make sure you hold the shift key down when you click on the corner, and that'll create the path. Keep the shift key down, create the path. Shift key down. Now we have three sides of a path. So now we're going to continue building the path around the subject. So we'll click and then give it a little contour, and click, give it a little contour, and just go the aesthetics and okay, so we have a rough path here. If you need to, just hold the Option or Alt key, and you can move the lines if you need to move them. Reposition. Okay, so there we have a rough path, and for safety purposes, we're just going to hit the Path tab here, and we're going to save this, okay, just by renaming it. Okay, double click on the path, and we're just going to say the wrap. All right, just in case we want to get to the path again. Okay, so now we have the path selected. We just simply take our text tool now, select it, and you'll notice when we go inside the path, watch the icon change. You see, if I place the text here, you'll see it's a square. But if I turn around and I go inside our path, it's a circle. And that's telling you that this will be restricted by our path. So we just simply click on the path, and you'll notice the text is automatically restricted according to this. So let's take the text we had and copy it. And now we'll take the new text that we did, and we will paste in some of this text here, and you'll see that we are wrapping around the object. Now, again, you can come back in and make adjustments on the path, whatever your heart desires. But that's as hard as it gets to turn around and actually do wraparound text in an irregular shape. So hopefully you found it useful. And until next week, you guys take care.